Good morning, my dear students. In the previous class, we discussed symbols of elements. In this class, I am going to discuss some objective questions. I think already you practiced the theory part. So, in this class, I am going to discuss some objective questions. See this question. The correct symbols for the elements beryllium, strontium, zinc and magnesium. Beryllium. What is the first letter for beryllium? B. B. But B is not a symbol for beryllium. Why not? B is the symbol for boron. Boron. Beryllium symbol Be. What is the beryllium symbol? Be. Strontium. 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 What is the first letter? Strontium. S. But S is a not symbol for strontium because S is the symbol for what? Sulfur. So that's why strontium. Here strontium symbol Sr. Strontium symbol Sr. Strontium. Zinc. Zinc. Zinc symbol Zn. Zn. Zinc symbol Zn. And finally manganese. Manganese Mn. Manganese symbol Mn. Letter M and letter N. Manganese. Okay. So based on sound. This symbol based on sound. Okay. See beryllium, strontium. Strontium also based on sound. Strontium, zinc and manganese. So what is the correct answer? Be beryllium, Sr strontium, Zn zinc, Mn manganese. Hence third option is correct. Okay na? Next question. Astatine. The symbol astatine. Astatine. As is the symbol for arsenic. As is the symbol for what? Arsenic. Okay. Astatine symbol At. Astatine. At is the symbol for what? Astatine. Okay. A. There is no any symbol for A. An also. Okay. At. Astatine symbol At. Based on sound. Okay. Next question. Selenium and silicon. Selenium symbol Se. Selenium symbol Se. Silicon symbol Si. But S is the not symbol for selenium and silicon. Why S is the symbol for what? Sulfur. Then two options eliminate. This one eliminate, this one eliminate. Why? Because S is the symbol for what? Sulfur, but not selenium and silicon. So selenium symbol Se and silicon symbol Si. Hence the correct answer is third option. Got it? Next one. Tungsten. Tungsten. Wolfram. This is the Latin name of tungsten. Wolfram. W. Latin name of tungsten. Wolfram. W. Stibbium. This is the Latin name of antimony. Sb. This is the Latin name of Sb. Stibbium. That is antimony. Plumbum. This is the symbol for lead. Lead. This is the Latin name of lead. Plumbum. Latin name of lead. Stibbium. Latin name of antimony. Wolfram. Latin name of tungsten. So given question Latin name of tungsten. Hence answer is first one. Wolfram. Okay. Next one. The elements named after the scientist name is are. After the scientist name. See polonium It is the name after country or laboratory. Polonium from Poland. This is from country, but given what? After scientists. So this one wrong. Fermium. This is the element after the scientist name Fermi. So this is the fermium is the right answer after the scientist name. Nobelium. Curium also after the scientist name Madame Curie. Curium also. This question is more than one correct answer type. Not only single answer type. This is more than one correct answer. Fermium, scientist name Fermi. Curium, scientist name Madame Curie. Okay. Next one. Nobelium. Alfred Nobel, scientist name Alfred Nobel. So this is also after the name of scientist. Hence answer is BCD, the correct answer. But not polonium. This is the after country name Poland. So this is obtained from Poland country. Okay. So then answer is BCD. Next question. A student has written the following symbols: symbol 1, symbol 2, symbol 3, symbol 4, symbol 5. Okay. Identify the correct options. Symbol 1 is correct. Let's check symbol 1. Mn is the symbol for manganese. Manganese. Okay. But if there are two letters in a symbol, then first letter should be capital letter, second letter should be small letter. But in this one, first letter capital letter M, second letter also capital letter. That's why symbol 1 is wrong. Actually, what is the correct symbol? Mn. This is the correct symbol. First letter capital, second letter small. But here given Mn, both are capital letters. Wrong. Second letter, calcium, Ca. Calcium. First letter capital, second letter small. Calcium. So symbol 2 is correct. Symbol 3, Pb, lead. This is wrong. Why this is wrong? First letter capital letter, second letter should be small letter. Okay. Next, symbol 4, chromium, Cr. First letter capital, second letter small. So this is also correct one. Aluminium. This is also wrong. Why? Both letters are capital. Aluminium symbol, A capital A, small l. This is. So this one wrong symbol, this one correct symbol, third one wrong symbol, this one also wrong symbol. Okay na? So hence what is the correct one? Symbol 2, symbol 5 are correct. Then check options. Symbol 1 is correct. No. Symbol 1, 2 and 3 incorrect. 1, 2, 3 incorrect. 2 is correct. 1, 3 only incorrect. So this is also wrong. Symbol 1, 4 correct. 1, 4. 1 and 4. No. Symbol 1 incorrect. Symbol 4 correct. This is also wrong. Symbol 1, 5 incorrect. Symbol 1, 5 incorrect. So this is the 1, 5 incorrect. Okay na? So this is the correct answer. Next one. See this question. Which of the following is or matched with their Latin names? We know, we already discussed Latin names. Fe, iron. What is the Latin name? Ferrum. Okay. Next, Na, sodium, natrium. Pb, lead, plumbum. Au, gold, aurum. Now check. Fe, latinum, ferrum. But here given what? Iron. So wrong. Na, latinum, natrium. Here given sodium. P, PB lead, plumbum, correct. AE gold, aurum, correct. Hence C and D, correct. Okay na? These are the Latin names. We already discussed. Na, Latin name. This is the Latin name of for Na. Fe, ferrum. PB, plumbum. AU, aurum. Okay. Next question. Elements with symbols. Here some elements given and symbols also given. Now we have to match the elements with their symbols. See, rubidium. Rubidium symbol Rb. Which one Rb? This one. So then Rb. Okay. Rubidium Rb. Palladium PD. PD, palladium symbol PD. Molybdenum MO. MO, molybdenum. Radium Ra. Radium Ra. Hence the correct answer is 1R. 1R. So this option eliminate. 1R. 2P. 2P. 3S. 3S. 4Q. 4Q. Hence first one is the right answer. Okay now, so these are the correct. This is the correct matching. Okay, so we discussed objective bits on symbols of elements. In the next class we will discuss objective questions on ions. Okay now, thank you.